the Presley family feud intensifies as Priscilla sides with Lisa Marie's outsider husband after he is granted full custody of twin girls, leaving Riley Keough incensed over losing her sisters. The feud between Priscilla Presley and her granddaughter Riley Keough over Lisa Marie's multi-million-dollar estate reached new heights on Tuesday. A brief court hearing in Los Angeles family court ended Lisa Marie's 7-year child custody battle with her ex-husband Michael Lockwood, 61, when he was granted full custody of their twin daughters Harper and Finley, now 14 years old. Priscilla, 77, did not object to Lockwood receiving full custody of her granddaughters, and Riley, who supported her mother Lisa Marie during the contentious divorce and custody battle, is said to be upset about losing her teen half-sisters to outsider Lockwood. Riley, the star of Amazon Prime's Daisy Jones and the Six, was already furious with her grandmother for contesting Lisa Marie's will, which gives Riley control of her wealthy Promenade Trust. To make matters worse, musician Lockwood, who allegedly enraged Riley by crashing Lisa Marie's funeral, is said to be siding with Priscilla over the trust, which could lead to him joining Riley in court. According to Judicial Assistant Gus Morales, who attended Tuesday's court hearing, Lockwood now has de facto full custody of the twins. When one parent dies in California, the other retains full custody unless the court finds the father or mother to be an unfit parent. Lockwood did not appear in court on Tuesday. When Presley died in January at the age of 54, he and Presley shared custody of their daughters. And because neither the twins' grandmother, Priscilla, nor any other family members have filed legal documents claiming Lockwood is an unfit parent, full custody automatically goes to him. Riley was always there for her mother during her lengthy, often heated arguments with Lockwood. According to reports, Priscilla and Lisa Marie were barely speaking before her death, after Priscilla sided with Lockwood over custody of the twins. Despite attending multiple events together, including the Elvis biopic, the mother and daughter were not on speaking terms, according to multiple sources. When it came to Michael, Riley was always on her mother's side, a source told the magazine. It irritated her that her grandmother and Michael flew together to funeral. Priscilla also assisted Michael in sneaking into the ceremony, despite the wishes of her late daughter. Michael was not invited, Lisa Marie's close friend told People. He visited Memphis under the pretense that he had to chaperone the twins, and he forced his way in with Priscilla's help. The last thing Lisa Marie would have wanted was for Michael to be there. Lisa Marie's marriage to Lockwood ended in divorce after she claimed in court documents that she discovered a cache of disturbing photos and videos on his computer. This was shortly after she checked herself into rehab for her alcohol and drug addictions. He categorically denied the charge, claiming that she was more concerned with destroying him than with the welfare of the children. The case was never heard in court. However, the allegations prompted California's Department of Children and Family Services to intervene in 2017 and take the twins, who were then 8 years old, into custody. Priscilla then revealed that she was in charge of the girls. Lockwood threw his hat into the fray of the probate case involving Lisa Marie's estate and her Promenade Trust last week. The twins are beneficiaries of the estate, and their guitarist and songwriter father has asked to be appointed as their guardian ad litem, giving him the authority to represent Harper and Finley in the probate case. At a hearing on April 13, a judge will rule on Lockwood's request. Lisa Marie had 2 life insurance policies, one for $25 million and the other for $10 million, during her 10-year marriage to Lockwood. The trust has become a major source of resentment and friction in the Presley family, with Priscilla challenging Lisa Marie's decision to remove her and her ex-manager Barry Siegel as trustees and replace them with Riley. The will includes ownership of the Graceland mansion as well as a 15% stake in Elvis Presley Enterprises. Lisa Marie's 2016 amendment not only replaced Priscilla as executor and removed her from the will, but it also named her 2 adult children, Riley and Benjamin Keough, as her sole heirs. Riley and Benjamin were born to Lisa Marie's first husband, Danny Keough, 58. Riley is the sole heir after Benjamin committed suicide in 2020. Priscilla filed a petition just days after Lisa Marie's memorial service, questioning the authenticity and validity of the trust and claiming that Lisa Marie's signature was inconsistent. The grandmother of 4 also claims she was unaware Lisa Marie had changed the trust until her daughter died. If Priscilla's petition is approved, she and Riley will be appointed as co-trustees of Lisa Marie's estate. That petition is also scheduled to be heard on April 13. Elvis's only child and Lockwood fought over finances for years after Lisa Marie filed for divorce in 2016, and they were still negotiating up until her death. In 2018, Lockwood requested that the divorce court order Lisa Marie to pay him $263,000 per year in spousal support so that he could enjoy a lifestyle closer to my marital status of living, which included lavish entertaining, expensive vacations, and private jet travel. He attempted to persuade the judge to annul a post-nuptial agreement in which he and Lisa Marie signed away their rights to the other's property and spousal support in the event of a divorce. But Lockwood lost, not receiving a penny from Lisa Marie after openly admitting that he hadn't read the post-nuptial agreement and claiming that his attorney at the time failed to explain it to him. The judge upheld the postnuptial agreement and dismissed Lockwood's case, telling the court, if Lockwood chose not to read the postnuptial agreement and accept the consequences, that it would be upheld. That is his choice. Even after their divorce was finalized in 2021, the former couple fought over Finley and Harper's custody and child support. Lisa Marie and her ex had shared custody prior to her death, and she was reportedly paying him $6,000 per month in child support. But Lockwood, who is now remarried to hairstylist Stephanie Hobgood, was claiming $40,000 a month, insisting Lisa Marie had more money than she revealed in court documents and saying his legal battles over the divorce and child custody had cost him more than $1 million.